Money. It rules our choices, fuels our dreams, and at times, destroys our peace of mind. Everyone wants to build wealth, yet most people struggle their entire lives without ever achieving financial freedom. Why? It's not always about how much you earn, it's about how you think. In today's video, we're diving deep into the psychology of money and uncovering the hidden reasons why most people fail at building lasting wealth. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our family Money Strategies with Prince, where we reveal the secrets of make money, tools, and investment strategies. Chapter 1. Why money is more about psychology than math. When people think about wealth, they often assume it's all about numbers. If you make more than you spend, you should get rich, right? But reality says otherwise. Two people can earn the same salary, and one ends up broke while the other becomes financially free. The difference lies not in math, but in mindset. Money is emotional. It's tied to our fears, our upbringing, our sense of security, and even our self-worth. Financial success isn't just about knowing what to do. It's about controlling how you think and act under pressure. For example, during stock market crashes, some people panic and sell everything. Others see it as an opportunity to buy at a discount. The same situation, completely different outcomes, because of psychology. Chapter 2. The illusion of more money equals more happiness. Most people believe that if they just had more money, all their problems would disappear. But studies consistently show that once basic needs are met, the link between money and happiness weakens. Here's the trap. Many people chase higher salaries, bigger houses, and luxury lifestyles, only to discover they're still stressed and unsatisfied. Psychologists call this the hedonic treadmill, the idea that no matter how much you earn, your desires grow with it, keeping you running endlessly without ever reaching true contentment. Wealthy people who stay wealthy understand that happiness comes from control and freedom, not just consumption, and that mental shift makes all the difference. Chapter 3. Fear and greed, the enemies of wealth. If there are two emotions that destroy wealth faster than anything else, they are fear and greed. Fear keeps people from taking risks. They avoid investing, avoid starting businesses, and play it too safe. Over time, inflation eats away their savings. Greed, on the other hand, pushes people into dangerous decisions, like gambling on get-rich-quick schemes or chasing trends without research. Think about the crypto boom. Some investors got rich, yes, but millions lost everything because greed blinded them to risk. Those who approached it with discipline and diversification managed to survive, while the greedy collapsed. Managing fear and greed is at the heart of successful money psychology. Chapter 4. The instant gratification trap. Why do most people stay broke? Because they want rewards now instead of later. This is called instant gratification. Instead of saving, they buy the latest iPhone. Instead of investing, they spend their paycheck on nights out. Small pleasures now outweigh the idea of financial security later. In contrast, wealthy people often delay gratification. They sacrifice short-term pleasures for long-term gains. They understand that a dollar invested today could be $10 tomorrow. Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire overnight. He mastered the patience game. His psychology of money was rooted in thinking decades ahead while others thought about the weekend. Chapter 5. The social comparison problem. Here's another psychological trap: comparison. People look at Instagram, TikTok, or their neighbors and think, if they can afford it, I should too. This leads to lifestyle inflation. Buying bigger cars, fancier clothes, or expensive vacations just to keep up appearances. But here's the truth. Many of those people are drowning in debt. They look rich, but aren't. Real wealth is often invisible. It's the money sitting quietly in investment accounts, not the flashy car parked in the driveway. Changing your psychology means focusing on your own path, not competing with someone else's highlight reel. Chapter 6. Why discipline beats intelligence. Most people believe you need to be a financial genius to build wealth, but that's not true. Discipline is more important than intelligence. You don't need to know everything about the stock market or real estate. What you do need is consistency, saving regularly, investing automatically, avoiding unnecessary debt, sticking to a long-term plan, even when it's boring. The biggest psychological mistake people make is chasing excitement. They want quick results, big wins, and overnight success. But wealth is built quietly, through discipline, not drama. Chapter 7. The role of childhood and money beliefs. Our money habits often start in childhood. If you grew up hearing money is evil or we can't afford that, those beliefs shape your psychology as an adult. Some people develop a scarcity mindset, believing there's never enough money, so they hoard or avoid spending entirely. Others develop a spender's mindset, using money as a tool for status or emotional comfort. Wealthy people reprogram their money psychology. They learn to see money as a tool, not an enemy or an idol. This shift allows them to make smarter, more balanced decisions. Chapter 8. The hidden power of patience. The truth is, most people fail at building wealth because they lack patience. Compounding, the most powerful wealth-building force in history, requires time. Albert Einstein famously called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. But compounding only works if you let it. Too many people pull money out early, switch strategies, or chase the next hot trend. Wealth isn't built in months, it's built over years, sometimes decades. Patience is the rarest psychological skill, and the richest people in the world master it. Chapter 9. How to rewire your money mindset. So how do you change your psychology of money? Here are practical strategies. 1. Practice gratitude. Instead of obsessing over what you don't have, appreciate what you do. It stops the endless chase. 2. Automate savings and investments. Remove emotion from the process. Let systems handle it. 3. Avoid financial news overload. Too much noise creates fear and panic. Focus on your long-term plan. 4. Surround yourself with like-minded people. If your circle spends recklessly, you will too. Choose wisely. 5. Learn continuously. Read books, watch content like this, and expand your financial literacy. Knowledge reshapes psychology. Chapter 10. The harsh reality. Most will fail. The uncomfortable truth is, most people will continue to fail at building wealth. Why? Because it's easier to keep spending, to keep comparing, to keep chasing instant gratification. Changing your psychology requires effort, and effort is uncomfortable. But here's the good news. If you're watching this video, you're already ahead of the majority. You're aware of the problem, and awareness is the first step toward transformation. Money isn't just numbers, it's psychology. Those who fail to understand it will stay trapped in financial struggle, no matter how much they earn. But those who master their mindset unlock the true path to wealth, freedom, and security. So ask yourself, will you keep falling into the same traps? Or will you change the way you think about money starting today? If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment below sharing your biggest money mindset challenge, and subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more deep dives into the hidden truths of wealth and success.